Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Moda HOMEGOODS and I'm going to check out what they have in store. Now I visited upstairs some time ago and I never know where this store was actually located, so I'm just going to share with you how you can find this store. Now I see some stuff posted on their Instagram page and I said that I have to visit this store and also to share with you what they have in store. So if you want to visit Moda HOMEGOODS, they are upstairs Quantum Concept right across from Quartz. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So as I enter the store, I love that it is well decorated with decor pieces for us. I see golds, I see silvers, I see black, I see bronze. If you're looking for some beautiful decor pieces, I am seeing some beautiful stuff here already. And I just want to share as well. I will try and share some prices here as best as I can because the store has music and it's hard to speak and tell you the price while music is playing. So most time I have to do a voiceover and the prices aren't that visible when I'm rewatching the video to do the voiceover. Now this beautiful large grape is a great decor pieces for your kitchen that you can use on your countertop or so, and this one is for 1,350. And don't talk about the prices yet, like this hand sign here for 4,250. What I'm seeing so far is that most of these items are made in India and I'm seeing Portugal as well. Look at this magnifying glass here. This is great as a decor piece just to add on and just to add some layers. You can use it on your coffee table, just to place on your books and so, and just to give a little oomph in your decor. As I mentioned, these products are made in India and Portugal, so you know quality come with price, and some of these can be a little bit pricey, but nothing is wrong into adding some beautiful pieces in your home. You know, we are persons that shop on a budget, but everything in the home cannot look too cheap. Everything cannot be DIY. You have to go out and buy some beautiful stuff as well. Now, if you're looking for these religious statue signs, you can also get them. You can get candle holders. Look at this face in hand, 4,250. Not bad at all. So if you're looking to decorate your entrance table, these pieces are great for your entrance table as the cushions. Like this eyeglass here, this one is for 6,550. You guys would have seen a DIY I did with a sunglasses where I used baking soda with paint and so to get something similar like that. So there are some stuff that you can DIY as well. And this extra large 3x 3x large wall art there is for 79,600. And you know I always said don't leave the walls blank. Try to fill up those empty wall spaces. If you're looking for some other decor clocks, some nice little candle holders, just some little decor pieces, some florals, succulents and so on, just to fill those little gaps in your tables and so, I'm seeing a lot of stuff here at HOMEGOODS. So guys, come on and check out Moda HOMEGOODS so that you guys can decorate your home, making it look beautiful. I'm seeing decorative accent chairs here, like this light pink one and gray one. I did not get the price, but as I say, some of these stuff you can always DM Moda HOMEGOODS, or you can visit the location, or you can call them as well. This Chanel art print, if you're a person that love artwork like these, you can always come over and get it. This faith sign, they have these incense sticks for $850. So if you want to make your home smell good, this is a lemon flavor. That's another way that you can use to make your home smell good. And I always say, it don't make sense your home look good and you clean and everything and it smell like trash. These decorative balls here is $1,500 each. So you can always come and check them out. This made in India bowl as well that you can decorate a space with. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of nice decor pieces. You know your girl love rugs. And you can get a Rugs America here for 38,500. It's an Era rug 5x7. And the Nolan one is for, oh, I'm not seeing any price, but the smaller one here is for 14,550. Wow, guys, I'm seeing so many stuff. I don't know how I'm ever going to tell you everything, but I hope you can see something that you love and let me know down in the comments what you think that you would get here. They have cushions for 4,250. You guys can always check out the cushions as well. That's a great way to make your home look beautiful. It's a great way to upgrade your space. Okay, let me show you these gold twigs. These gold twigs are for 8,550, and you have these pampas grass as well as the sunglass. Wow, this sunglass here is for 6,550. As I say, you can always use cushions to decorate your space. It's an affordable way, and that gold and black one is for 4,250. So there are so many stuff here that you can use. If you don't have a lot of money, you can buy little. So you can always say, okay, I'll buy a cushion this week. 2 weeks time, I'll buy a decorative artwork or something. This heat sign here, you can get it for 4,250. And guys, as I say, the heat sign is for 6,550, not 4,250, 6,550. You can always use these stuff to make your home look beautiful. And you know your girl always talk about mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to make your space feel larger. That one, the brown one there, is for 22,550. You have curtains, they have ring lights. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to take pictures and the place light up properly, they have ring lights as well for 25,500. This decorative kitchen sign, cutting board kitchen sign, is for 2,850, and the sandwich dish container is for 1,550. You can get chopstick as well. The chopstick is for 4,550, and the grater that you saw as well was 2,550. This egg bin as well is for 2,350. So, oh gosh, they have kitchen stuff as well. They have art. If you don't want to buy these stuff to decorate your space, these are great gifts as well. Like the 4-piece glass mug there is for 3,650. These would make great gifts for someone. So if you know someone that love a gift like for home or so, you can always get that. Like this rug set here, 6 rugs coming in, 1,950. And you guys might say 6 rugs for 1,950. You have to remember brands and so on as well. The bathroom accessory set there is for 3,500. You can get them in different color, different size, different styles. So always come on and check out home items that you can use to make your space look beautiful. This decorative clock here is for 4,500, and they have a lot of frames and clocks and so that you can use to decorate your space. As I say, it's not everything you can DIY. I do DIY stuff, but it's not everything you can DIY. Some things you have to purchase that helps to bring that looks in your home, and just to spend a little extra to give that looks feel around the home. They have these drawer pulls. They have the set of 6 for 4,250 and a set of 4 for 3,550. So as I say, changing your knobs and your handles around your home, your dresser, your cupboard, your cabinet, your door is a great way to make your space look luxe. Is a great way to change the look of your space as well. This Zenso lamp is for 7,500, and they also have the diffuser as well for 8,850. They have this Yankee candle for car. That one is for 1,150. So as I said, they have so many stuff. They have kitchen utensils, decor pieces. So if you're looking for these small stuff, you can always come on and check out Moda HOMEGOODS so that you guys can get your house well decorated, and you can also get your kitchen accessories as well. Over this section, you can get a decorative florals and grass, and so like this long stem grass. This one is for 3,250. And I'm seeing this blue sofa over here. I soon get to show you better. but they have different colors in the pampas graph. They have succulent. This blue sofa is for 120,000. So if you're looking for small furniture pieces, you can get it here as well. And I'm seeing nice cushions. So guys, these are great stuff that can make a space look beautiful. So if you're looking for some accent colors, and the problem is in Jamaica, it's hard to find canvases and nice art. Like this 2-piece frame canvas is 28,550. So if these are your prices, these stuff are great if you're staging a home. You know, there are a lot of homes selling now. So these are stuff that you can use to decorate your home for Airbnb, to stage your home, to sell your home. If you're trying to do a showroom, these are great stuff that you can use to decorate the space. So it doesn't have to be for rental or your own home. If you're planning to sell your home and you have to stage your home, you can always come on to Moda Home Goods and get these stuff. So guys, some lovely pieces here. These 2 terracotta vases were also made in Portugal. Like the small one with the 2 handles there is for 7,550, and you can get your succulents and other florals. This Milk Boss frother is for 3,250. This 3-piece canister glass set is for 3,650. Wow, these are some beautiful pieces that you guys need to come on and check out. They have palm trees, they have, what should I say, plants for the home. There are so many stuff that they have here that you guys can check out. This candle leaf set is for 7,650. So guys, this is what the store is actually looking like. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen.